Hello and welcome to Mr. English Diaries. In this video, I've put together a powerful session so you can practice your English anytime and anywhere. I am Emily and I am so happy you're here. Today we're using the shadowing technique. I will speak clearly, and you will repeat after me during the silence. Are you ready to build your confidence? Let's begin. I usually wake up around 6:30. When I open my eyes, I take a deep breath. I brush my teeth slowly and carefully. Cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. I like to wear something simple and comfortable. I usually eat eggs and toast for breakfast. I check my calendar to see my plan for the day. I greet people politely when I arrive. I focus on my most important task first. How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? Oh, thank you. Have a nice day. Can I see the menu, please? The food smells amazing. How are you doing today? It's nice to see you again. The weather is really nice today. Sorry, I missed your call. I will call you back later. How do I get to the library? I think this is a great idea. That sounds interesting. This makes me so happy. I try to study English every day. Practice makes progress. I believe in my ability to improve. Speaking English gets easier with practice. I feel more confident when I speak out loud. Small daily improvements lead to big success. I enjoy the process of learning and growing. Mistakes guide me toward progress. English is becoming part of my daily life. My confidence grows with every word. I trust the process and enjoy my journey. I am proud of my improvement no matter how small. I speak English to express myself, not to be perfect. Every word I speak helps me grow. I am excited for my English-speaking future. I feel motivated to learn something new. Success is my only option. Amazing work today. You took another step toward becoming a confident speaker. Remember, fluency happens sentence by sentence. Keep practicing daily here on Mr. English Diaries. I am Emily, and I'm proud of your dedication. Keep speaking, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next video.